Okay, so social services, right? No, you're not actually understanding. You're not supposed to go to an actual area where someone's going to evaluate your life. That's not a social worker. You're supposed to go to your local um system of aids where you're gonna get um given a study guide, and you have to study these things. Yes, it's going to teach you about your manners at home as a mother, a father, a child. Yeah, your house actually should have this guideline. It's your homework. This is your real homework. It doesn't have anything to do with chores, anything to do with cleanliness, nor your health needs. This is your homework. As a home, your attitude adjustments on different subjects whenever certain things come along in life. Could be you're a new parent. Could be you just made a friend in school and you're a little kid. Yeah, this is social services. Has nothing to do with adoption agencies. Has nothing to do with if you're a fit to actually be a mother or a father or a sister or brother or aunt or uncle. So, example, you're going to study a section in this book, and well, you're going to introduce yourself as nobody. You're going to look at yourself before you open this book, because you have to tell yourself, look, you was not brought to this world with any knowledge that you actually were supposed to purposely and obligationally let someone live with you. You didn't know these things, that you were supposed to find someone who actually can share your home with you. Not as a co-owner neither. You not having to ever sign over half of your home. Not even share rent. Like, this is called social services. Where, yes, they're going to live with you. Yes, they're going to live with you for free. Because, they might pay their utilities, yes. Because, so the utilities can actually keep running, right? So, meanwhile, you're going to actually enjoy being alone at the same time you're not alone. Because the person is not going to have emotions towards you as an appreciative person of staying in a place. They also might pay somewhat of a staying price to actually possibly and a noise, what do you call that, regulation noise? Yeah, you're supposed to pay for these things. Where if you want your neighborhood to be quiet, you have to pay your neighborhood. This is just like paying utilities.